Jai Hind friends, ITR 4. In ITR 4, you can show your income as presumptive basis and you need not to maintain any books of account. For example, if you are having 30 lakh rupees sale and all sale are in the cash, then you need to declare at least 8% of your profit. 8% of 30 lakh is 2 lakh 40,000. And for your kind information, if you opt for new tax regime, there is no tax up to 7 lakh rupees. You can show more than 8% because you have to show minimum 8% net profit and there is no upper limit. You can show 50%, 40%, 30%. And if you are a professional, then you have to opt for 44 ADA, in which you have to declare at least 50% of your net receipt. So in this video, we are going to file ITR 4 for 44 AD, for 44 ADA, practically live, step by step. If you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment box. We will be happy to reply your comment, and make sure to watch this video till end so that you can file your ITR 4 by own. So without wasting further time, let's go to the income tax portal. So friends, to file ITR 4, we need to come on the income tax website, which is incometax.gov.in. If you are coming here for first time, then you need to register first. Otherwise, you can click on the login button. Now, PAN or Aadhaar will be your user ID. Either can be used. So we are putting our PAN and then need to click on the continue. Click on this checkbox and now you need to mention your password, then click on the continue button. So this type of your portal will be shown. Two things you need to check, you need to do before filing your ITR, which is e-file income tax return view form 26AS. Then you need to confirm, I agree, proceed. Now click here to check your 26AS, 26AS. Now click on the 24, 25, click on the HTML and view download. So dear, whatever transactions done with your PAN card, the TDS deducted online transactions will be shown here. So make sure all the transaction which is shown here in 26AS, you must declare show in your income tax return. Second thing, you need to click on the AIS, click on the proceed button. Now click on the AIS. Now click on the taxpayer information summary. Again, your saving bank interest, FD interest, GST turnover, share market transactions. If you are having your share market transactions, so sorry to say, ITR 4 cannot be filed. So all the transactions you need to be shown in your ITR as well, which are showing in here. So we are now clicking on the file now button. Assessment year will be the 24-25, which is current assessment year. Click on the online, which is recommended by them, and now click on the continue. Now you need to click on the start new filing. After clicking on the start new filing, individual will become automatically. Click on the continue button. Which ITR form you are going to file? ITR 1 we have already have a detailed video. ITR 4 we are going to file now. Proceed with ITR 4. Now click on the let's get started. So dear, if your income in new tax regime is more than 3 lakh rupees, in old tax regime more than 2.5 lakh rupees, then click on this. Otherwise, you can simply click on the others. No need to worry, no issue. So click on the continue button. Now this red color message is coming, which is saying according to your AIS, TIS and form 26AS, we have pre-filled data, means we have automatically shown that data, but you can confirm or you can edit them if there is any discrepancy. Click on the OK button. Now click on the personal information. Now in the personal information, your name, your contact detail. Now nature of employment is asking here. Nature of employment means, suppose if you are getting any salary or pension, then you need to select from where you are getting your salary. Central government, state government, means the status of your employer. So if you are not getting any salary or pension, as in ITR 4, we are only going to show you the business income only. So not applicable can also be selected. If you have selected not applicable, your salary income will be de-highlighted. It will not be shown. Now filing section. If you are filing your ITR before 31st July, so you need to click on the 139.1. After 31st July, but before 31st December, 139.4. If you have filed your ITR already and now you want to changes, you want to make some changes, then click on the 139.5. Now, one important question of this video, have you exercised the option under section 115 BSc 6 of opting out new tax regime? You know very well, from this assessment year, new tax regime is default tax regime, in where you will get the 7 lakh rupees income as tax free. So if you want to go new tax regime, so you need not to opt out, you need to click on the no button. If you want to go in old tax regime, you want to take deduction exemptions, then you need to click on the yes button. Yes, after clicking on the yes, you need to file your ITR before 31st July. So if you are filing ITR 4 and you want to opting old tax regime, so one additional thing you need to do, you need to fill the form 10 IEA, which is already a detailed video is already posted in our channel. So on which date you have filed this form and via which acknowledgement number you need to mention here. But we are going in new tax regime, so simply we have click on the no button, and it is asking for whether it is being filed by representative assessee, you are filing your own, so you need to click on the no button. All the bank account need to be add here, see, validated, not pre-validated. So all the bank account be filing should be added here, and at least one account should be validated and nominate for refund. So need to confirm button. Personal information has been confirmed. Now gross total income, the main part of our video, skip the question and click on the yes button. So now here salary income you will be not able to fill here. So as it is showing you have selected not applicable, so you will not be able to fill any salary income detail. So in how income from house property, suppose you are getting rental income of your plot, your shop, your house, then you need to click on the let out. And suppose if you are getting 1 lakh rupees as your rental income, then click on this 1 lakh rupees, you will get 30% flat deduction, standard deduction, and your net income will be 70,000. Click on the add button. Again, most important part of this video, income from business or profession, you need to click on the add detail. After clicking on the add detail, your business name should be fitted here. Suppose your company ABC Private Limited, suppose ABC Company, ABC Enterprises, whatever your name of business will be shown here. One more thing I want to confirm, business, profession or goods carries three type of category showing here. If you are having a selling income, if you are selling any goods and you need to declare your income, you need to declare at least 8% of net profit of your cash sale, then you need to click here. If you are a professional, then you need to come here. Suppose doctor, chartered accountant, engineer, then they need to declare at least 50% of their net profit as a total receipt. And goods carriage, if you are a goods carriage transporter, then you need to click here. So we are supposing you are a seller, you are selling goods or freelancer, 44 AD section we are going to file here. So nature of business you need to select in the drop down menu. If you are not getting any drop down menu here, so you need to click on the search button. Suppose retail trading we are showing retail sale of other product, you can click here. And suppose grocery goods are you are selling, you can simply click here the grocery amount, grocery, not an issue, grocery, and you need to click on the add button. After clicking on the add button, now your main part is here, gross turnover or gross receipt. So if your turnover is up to 2 crore rupees, you can file ITR 4. And if your turnover is up to 3 crore rupees and more than 95% is other than cash, then you can still file this ITR 4. But make sure if your turnover is more than 40 lakh, then GST requirement may become. So you need to cross verify the GST requirement as well. Gross turnover, three type of turnover it is asking. Through account paycheck means other than cash you are getting, you need to declare the profit of 6%. Receipt in cash, you need to declare at least 8%. Any other mode means cash and online, other than the both of the method you are getting, if any exchange amount is getting, then you need to click here. Hence we have prepared a balance sheet for your purpose, for educational purpose, in which we have prepared the trading account, and our sale is 36 lakh 75,000. Means up to 40 lakh rupees sale, you need not to obtain any GST registration. So 36 lakh 75,000 is our sale. So you know the bifurcation of the sale is cash in other than cash, then you can simply bifurcate here. So we are putting all this sale in the cash column. So 36 lakh 75,000 is your cash sale, and you know very well at least 8% of net profits you need to show. For example, we are taking calculator, 36 lakh 75,000 into 0.08. So at least 2 lakh 94,000 rupees sale we need to mention here. And in our balance sheet, we have declared 420,300 is our net profit. So here 8% column, 420,300, we are putting our declared income, means it is more than 8% and it can be any amount. So click on the add button. Now our sale and the net profit has been fed successfully. So after filling the detail of income from business and profession, you need to come down income from other source, which if your income is not falling any category, then you can show here income from other source. You need to click on the add another detail. So every person have a saving bank account. If you are getting any saving interest, it will automatically come here. If it is not correct, then you can show here manually. If you are having any FDR, RD, then any interest coming here you can show here. And apart from that, any income which is not falling under any category, then you need to click on the any other and click yes. So if you are getting 2 lakh rupees income from your part-time income from tuitions, so you can simply put here. If you are having any freelancing income, part-time income, you simply click and you can put in the description button. So now click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, after putting the income from other source, here you can see our gross total income came to 6,96,000, and you will be surprised to know that up to 7 lakh rupees you need not to pay a single rupee tax. So you need to click on the confirm button. Now income, our gross total income tab has been confirmed. One more important tab of this video, disclosure and exempt income. You know very well, in section 44 AD you are showing your business income. So financial particular of the business need to be mentioned here. Click on the add detail button. Now here a balance sheet type of the structure has been came, and you need to put your, if you have made your balance sheet, then you need to put your liability side here, and it will be the total of liability, and assessed side here, it will be the total of assessed. The both total and assessed side, liability and assessed side be the should be equal. So as I am showing you my balance sheet, 10,62,500 should be our capital. I mention here secured loan. If you are having any loan from bank, so if you have any bank loan, you can mention here. If you are having any creditors, sundry creditors from whom you have purchased goods and on, we are mentioning here. So total of our balance sheet came to 12,99,300, and here 12,99,300. Now the another side of balance sheet, the asset side, which is also need to be mentioned, fixed assets, inventory, sundry debtor, whatever figures you are having. Here you can check the liability side total is 12,99,300, and asset side total is 12,99,300. But dear, if you have not maintained this type of balance sheet, then you need not to worry. And suppose if you have not figure of the all amount, then also you need not to worry. The amount that the sundry creditors, which is here for the red mark, only you need to fill the inventory, the sundry debtors, and the cash in hand. Only 4 things you need to mention here. The creditors from whom you have purchased goods on credit, the stock which you are having, the debtors, the amount which you have to take from your buyers, and the cash which you were having on 31st March. If you still don't have these figure as well, so you need to simply put on the 0000, no need to worry. And this assessed and liability side should not equal. If it is not equal, then you still not need to worry. Click on the add button. So this type of balance sheet you can show, but I always recommend that you can at least make your balance sheet so that you come to know that how much capital you are having. One more thing, information regarding turnover or GST. If you are having your GST number, so make sure the turnover in GST and income tax should be the same. GST number or turnover should be feeded here. So after that, if you are having any exempt income, you can add simply here. The category will be shown here, agriculture income, whatever income you are having. If you are not having, then click on the confirm button. After confirming, our disclosure and exempt is also confirmed. Total deduction, as we are filing our income tax return is a new tax regime, skip the question, yes. So you will not find any deduction or exemptions here. Simply click on the confirm button. So our total deduction has also been confirmed. Now taxes paid. If TDS has been deducted on salary, it will be shown here. Other than salary will be shown here. It not showing automatically. If there is not showing, then you can put here mention by checking, by seeing your form 26 AS. Any tax, advance tax, self-assessment tax paid will be shown here. Now click on the confirm button. In the last part, total tax liability, we need to calculate our total tax liability. As our income is 6,96,000, total tax payable is 24,650. But 87A section is showing if you're opting new tax regime as your tax is up to 25,000, that you need not to pay any tax. So our tax becomes 0. You need to click on the confirm. So now it is showing you are done. Click proceed. Now need to click on the proceed. It will show you are eligible for a refund. You have to make a payment or you need not to make a payment. 3 situations might be there. Now click on the preview return. Click on this checkbox. Now click on the proceed to preview. Whatever data you have fed will be shown here. You can check again all the data which is showing correct or not. If it is not correct, you can again check and modify it. Now click on the validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. Now you can click on that error and you can correct it. So once if you have corrected your mistake, you need not to click on the all the step. Here in red color you are getting a button. You need to click on that button. So directly it will come to your validation sheet, and validation successful means there is no error. Up to 6,96,000 income will be become your one capital income, and you need to click on the proceed to verification. You know very well that after filing ITR it should be verified. It should be verified within 30 days. So you can e-verify hand to hand. It is also recommended by the department. Now click on the continue button. Now I would like to using Aadhaar OTP. Now click on the continue button. I agree. Generate Aadhaar OTP. 6-digit OTP will come on your number which have attached with your Aadhaar card. After putting this OTP, you need to click on the validate button. Now it will finally ask you, are you sure to submit this return? Just click on the yes, and congratulations, your return ITR 4 has been filed successfully. You can download the acknowledgement over here, and the acknowledgement you will get on email as well, and you will get a text message by your name. Congratulations, your ITR has been filed successfully. So this type of ITR 4 you can file very well. If you have any doubt, query, question, simply you can comment on comment box. We will be happy to reply it. If you want to take any professional help regarding your ITR, regarding balance sheet or any type of professional services, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video if you have liked this. We made endless effort to making this video, and you have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe our channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.